Lesson 2: Demand, Supply, and Market Equilibrium. Let us dive into how markets work through demand and supply. The law of demand states that, assuming all other things are equal, a fall in a goods price will increase the quantity demanded. This is a movement down along the demand curve. A change in the product's own price always causes a movement along the curve, while changes in things like income or tastes will shift the curve entirely. When a price falls, we also see an income effect for normal goods. This means a consumer's real purchasing power rises, so their same money income buys more, leading them to buy more of the good. On the seller side, we have the law of supply. It tells us that a rise in price will increase the quantity supplied, because higher prices make production more profitable. What causes the supply curve to shift? A great example is a technological improvement that raises crop yields per hectare. This lowers unit costs and shifts the supply curve to the right, meaning more is supplied at each price. In a free market, these forces interact to find the equilibrium price, which is exactly where the quantity demanded equals the quantity supplied. At this intersection, the plans of buyers and sellers match perfectly. What happens if demand for a good increases while supply remains unchanged? Consumers will compete for the existing supply, which pushes both the equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity higher in the short run.